Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Toni and I'm a homeschooling mom to 4 kids. And today is a super fun video. I'm so excited about this. So my friend Nina over at Everyday Blessings, Nina came up with this amazing idea to do a collaboration with me and then open it up to some other moms to do a thrifting challenge. So there's 9 of us homeschool moms that do YouTube, and we all got in on this collaboration where we're buying stuff for each other. It's like a gift exchange, like at Christmas, except it's March. These were the rules. You had $10 to spend, no more than $10. You could go to as many thrift stores as you wanted to. It had to be from a thrift store. So $10 at a thrift store, see what you can get. So we all made a little list about our likes and favorite color and different things like that, just to get to know each other and give each other kind of an idea of what to shop for. So, and then my kids picked the names and assigned everybody, which was super fun. So everybody gets surprised when the box shows up at their door. Nobody knows who their package is from. So I'm going to open up mine today. When you're done watching this video, make sure you go down to my description box and check out the playlist. And then you can watch all the ladies' unboxings and see what they got for $10 at the thrift store. And we all live in different places all over the US, so thrift stores are gonna be totally different, and I'm so excited to see what everybody got. So if you wanna see me open my box and see who it's from, stay tuned. Okay, so my box is from Nina over at Danina Farms, and I'm super excited. So make sure you go over and check out her channel afterwards, but I'm super excited to see what she got me. Okay. So remember, we had $10 to spend. Alrighty, Roo. Let's go. Toni, that's me. Okay. It says, "Hi Toni, it has been so fun getting to know you through your videos. I hope you enjoy these items I found for you and they spark joy as you use them. Thank you for putting this exchange together. Blessings, Nina at Danina Farms." So fun, so exciting. All right, so let's see what's inside. And my girls are over there watching me because when this came in the mail, they wanted me to open it right away, but I said I had to video. So they're all sitting quietly behind the camera watching me. So, and they're really excited about this. So thanks, Nina. That's awesome. I'll let them pick that up later. Okay. So my first thing, let's see what the first thing is. Ooh, this is so pretty. We all gave our like style for our home, and I said mine is like farmhouse kind of, and I bet this is a table runner. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. I love it. Isn't that pretty? So cool. So it's got lace on it. That's awesome. Can you guys see that? So pretty. Aw, thank you. I love it. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay. Oh, bubble wrap. They like that even more than peanuts. Okay. Here's a big one. Let's see what's in here. This is so fun. I love this. Ooh, look at that. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, I can't believe you found that at a thrift store. That is so cute, and I can put flowers in it. I love it. Fake flowers, because if I put real flowers in it, they'll die. I love it. Oh, that's so cute. And look at that. That is awesome. I'll have to hang it in the kitchen or the dining room or something. Yay. That's so fun. I love it. And don't forget, this had to all be done under $10. This thing, I would guarantee, if you went to like Hobby Lobby, this would be like, I don't know, $15 or something for the one thing. Maybe more. Their prices are, I love Hobby Lobby, but they're expensive. All right, let's see what this is. It feels kind of heavy. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and I told her my favorite color is turquoise. Aww, this is awesome. So it's a glass mug with like a bendy lid. What is this fabric? This isn't fabric. What is this material? Like rubber? That's awesome. Ah, thank you. That is so pretty. It's got little paisley things all over it. Love it. That is so cute. Thank you. So I'd say that's pretty good. A table runner, I mean, this could be a flower thing or it could just hold whatever. My son will probably use it as a hat if I don't put it up. And a cup. That's awesome. You did so good, Nina. That is awesome. So thank you so much. If you guys are not thrifters yet, you're going to watch these videos and you're going to be impressed at how amazing thrifting is and how much fun it is. This was seriously so much fun. You'll see the person that I bought for. I will link her channel in the comments below too. Her name is Ashlea over at Homeschool. So head over to her channel too next if you want to see what I got her. But I've got the whole playlist below so you can watch and see what all these ladies got for each other. But this was super fun. I mean, $10. Like, if you're not a thrifter, $10 might seem kind of crazy. Like, how can I get a lot of good stuff for $10? But this is great. This was super fun. So, yay! Thanks, Nina. And thanks, Nina from Everyday Blessings, for coming up with this idea, because this was super fun. I just helped facilitate it, but this was her idea, so I'm super excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. So give yourself a challenge. If you are not a thrifter, or if you are a thrifter and you haven't done a challenge in a while, my daughter and I do this all the time. We've done this recently where it was like, I had one of my videos, I'll link that below, where my daughter and I went to the thrift store, we gave each other $5 and we were supposed to find an outfit for $5. This shirt that I'm wearing, I got this as part of my outfit with my jeans. She did beat me because it was a little more, I didn't quite make it $5 for that outfit, but one of mine I did. But it was super fun, and challenging yourself like that is just, I don't know, it's just super fun. You don't have to spend much money, so you're not going to make your husband mad. Just a few dollars here and there. But go see what you can get for $10 and buy your friend something and send it to her. I think that would be super fun, and everybody loves getting mail. So even if you're not in on this collaboration with us, I challenge you to go do this week. Go to a thrift store and see what you can find for your BFF and send her some fun stuff. Limit it to $10 and see what you can do. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to check out the playlist. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do, because I'll keep videos coming every single week. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.